Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Technique Thursday. How are y'all doing today? Well, I'll tell you how I'm doing today. We're having a snowstorm. April snowstorm. Craziness, I tell you. It's crazy. I don't even want to talk about winter. Today, I'm going to do a Bible page kit. I haven't done a Bible page kit in a while. And so I really love this cute little house one, so I thought I was going to do it. You will notice that my PDF looks a little bit different than yours because I always have to print a test print, and when I do that, I do some changes or sizes, so mine always won't be exactly like yours because you get the final good one, but I hate to waste paper, so I use mine. So every once in a while we go over what to do when you're first starting your page. So today I'm using the Art Basics Clear Gesso by Finnabar from Prima. Let's see if we can get it open. And sorry for the glare, but I have to have my studio lights on today because it is so cloudy and dreary. So I'm just using a foam brush and just painting on the gesso with my brush, going in different directions to try not to what do you call it, wrinkle the page. I have to think. Snow's making me crazy. And I love this Bible. This is the King James Version Bible, the journaling Bible, but I'm just loving it. I love the stark white of the pages. And actually these studio lights are really helping me see if I've missed a spot. Haha. So they do come in handy. So let's just give that a quick dry. Grab my paper towel, get the gesso off my sheet, otherwise it's going to stick to my paper. And I'll just pull it a bit to help it, you know, stay straight. But I find these pages are thicker and they're really good for handling all kinds of mediums and they're not wrinkling like my really thin Bible pages do. And I can't say I'm a huge fan of the King James Version, but what I do like is the thickness of the pages. And if you haven't seen this Bible yet, that's the front cover. So I really like this. I haven't colored it yet, but I'm going to do it. I'm just going to do one more coat so you don't have to watch me. I will be right back and we can start on our page. Alrighty, we're back. I'm trying to get rid of this glare for you guys, but it's not working well. Okay, so what I thought was just doing a quick little background. And so what I did is I just got this new Distress Ink Peacock Feathers. I was hoping I could have got it in the Oxide, but they didn't have it, so I picked this one up at Michael's and just wanted to do a little bit of a sky background. So let's move that over there. And so I put just a piece of paper here, and then now I put a big shiny piece of plastic down for you. Maybe we could move it this way. So what I want to do is, I'm just going to grab another sheet of paper and put it here. This is my splashes. We're just going to take the Distress Ink and I'm just going to rub a bit of it on. This is a plastic sheet. I don't know where I got this from. It's just a piece of plastic. And just a little bit of the Distress Ink with a couple spritzes of water. And then I'm just going to tip it onto the page. So I want to kind of do sky. So I'm just going to do this and mush it around a bit. Pick up that big drop. Maybe put some up here. And just, you can move it around with the plastic, which is really fun. So I don't want anything really crazy, but I just want a little bit of a background. So if we want more, we can just, this side, Put a little bit more Distress ink, a little smush of water. And that's what I love about Distress inks, is they move so well with water. Yet, I think I don't know if I've ever sprayed in my Bible. I should try it. Kind of scared because spray is kind of wild. So I don't want to get, you know, too intense. So we'll put that there. I'm just going to wipe this up so I don't get it all over myself. There, we have some over there on that page. So I'm just going to dry this up quick. And then we get to the sticker part. So how's your day? What's going on? Like, what's happening in your world? Oh, you know what? I've got something exciting to tell you. Next week's video is kind of a different video for me. And there is going to be a little surprise. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss it. So sometimes I'm going to have little extras on YouTube for YouTube followers. So you do want to make sure that you follow along to get those little extra goodies. It's something new I'm doing. So I'm going to do some things on Instagram and in our group, and you know, it's kind of nice. I like to treat my followers everywhere and on my blog and stuff. So here we go. So this is our little page. So just a really gentle color. I'm really loving this blue. So okay, and there's nothing on the other side. It didn't bleed through with the gesso, so the gesso gets a big thumbs up. Put that to the side, and now all we have is stickers to do. And this was kind of interesting. I tried something new with my Scan and Cut, is I put this through the Scan and Cut, but I picked up minus to cut inside the line. So I'm not exactly sure how it all lined up, but we'll peel it off and see. So it cut just inside the black line, if you can see, if you have a Scan and Cut. So I don't have that edge. So I kind of like that. So I'm going to put this house here, I think. I love these. And we've got some changes coming up at Lot 95. So stay tuned for those too. And our big birthday event is coming up April 30th. And that's why we didn't have a contest this month, because you know what? Everybody is going to be a winner at Lot 95 this month. So that house kind of covers up the whole house. But that's okay. I just wanted to, there we go. Almost could take this. I don't know if it'll come off now. I don't think I used my repositional sticker paper like a dum-dum. Oh well, that'll stay like that. That's all good. Alright, so we'll just start with the stickers now. I cut these on the insides too. I wonder how they're gonna turn out. This one wants to really stick to my finger. So yes, let's talk about winter. And not you Arizona gals, we don't want to talk to you about winter because we're very jealous of you. But here in Canada, we have had winter. I was talking to my sister. I think we said September 19th was our first snowfall, which is very early for us. Like, just crazy. Like, we've had almost 8 months of winter. This needs to go away. Hubs and I were just up at the cabin at Lot 95, and yeah, guess what? Guess what it was doing there? Snowing. We have so much snow out there. It's crazy. But we wanted the pups to have some fun and get outside and, you know, that kind of good stuff. I love stickers. And you know what? I'm really liking how this cut inside the lines. I know we had a big talk in the group about, and do you notice I'm not trying to go straight today? We had a talk about cut lines or no cut lines. And I think cut lines are good because they really do help with the, you know, with our, if you have a machine. So that's good. And put lower bird right here. I'm gonna just put him right over top of the house. There we go. Oh, that's so cute. And then the little clouds. I'm gonna put these up here. And the page just comes together so quickly, and we're gonna really do a focus now at Lot 95 on the page kits. And we have a really exciting announcement in May with page kits. Oh my gosh, I want to share this so bad with you. We're coming out with a new series of page kits, but I can't tell you what it is, so shush, okay? I can't tell you. I have to follow the plan, because I really like to share and tell everybody everything. And then Nicole goes, Mom, you're not supposed to tell them yet, but I have such a hard time keeping a secret. Like, seriously, people. So what do you think of these cute little tabs? I am digging. I'm trying to make the tabs a little bit different for us too, and then the words always fit on the tabs. So I think I'm gonna put the Joshua part on this page and the serve on the other page. And this was kind of a two-pager because I had such cute elements, and my sister sent me something and said, you know, sister, you should make this. So I decided to make this a page kit and then an element sheet as well, so that we can have extra elements to play with, because I do love to play. Am I going to add some washi? I'm not sure. Let's see how the washi cut. Oh, the washi cut good too. And maybe I'll just rip it, because I like to kind of do different things. I don't know if I like the washi there or not. Come on, are you going to come off? Ah, you're going to be nice. Thank you. Yep, maybe I'll leave the washi off for now and play with this a bit. I'm going to find a date stamp, but easy peasy, little bit of a marbled background going on, and we have a page finished. So, thank you for joining me. Look at that. 9 minutes. We are done start to finish a Bible page kit. And that's what I love about these, is when I have just a couple minutes before supper or between phone calls with work, we do a lot of conference calls, that I can do a page quick. And I like to work with them just as much as you guys do. And thank you all for your support. And you guys are just awesome. Just awesome, awesome. We have the best group on Facebook. I'm sorry, we do. We are so fun and encouraging, and I just love you all so much. So, get ready for the birthday celebration. Remember to check back next week on YouTube for a little surprise. And I will see you guys in Praise and Pray. God bless.